Today, we are going to talk about something that might surprise you. Why learning machine learning might not be the smartest move. Yep, you heard that right. I believe the AI world is evolving fast, and if you are a fresher just starting out, there is a much easier and more in demand path you should be considering. Curious? So stick around and I'll break it all down. I am going to share why the machine learning hype has slowed down and why generative AI is the future. If you are trying to break into the tech industry, this is one video you don't want to skip. By the end of this, you will know exactly what to focus on to land the job in AI without drowning in complex math or years of coding practice. Alright, let's get right into it. A lot of people think that to make it in AI, they have to master machine learning. I get it. It sounds impressive, and a few years ago, companies were hiring left and right for machine learning roles. But here is the truth. Things have changed. The job market for machine learning, especially for beginners, has shrunk. Companies are not rushing to hire freshers because it's just too time consuming to train someone from scratch. Why? Because machine learning is not easy. It's tough, especially if you are just starting out. If you have taken an online course, you have probably felt that learning machine learning is not like picking up Python or web development. You need a deep understanding of math, statistics, and complex algorithms. Even if you are motivated, it takes years of practice to really get it. And honestly, the job market is not what it used to be for pure machine learning roles. Now don't get me wrong. Machine learning skills are still valuable, but the demand has shifted. Today, the focus is all about generative AI. What's generative AI? It's what powers tools like ChatGPT, and it is where the real demand is right now. And the best part, you don't need years of math or programming knowledge to get started. Big tech giants like Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft are building these massive AI models, and smaller companies are using these to create their own products. Think chatbots, AI-driven apps, and more. The competition is fierce, but that is good news for you. It means there is a growing demand for people who understand generative AI and can help companies use it. If you are new to this field, you don't have to worry about learning complicated algorithms. Instead, focus on how to work with large language models or LLMs. Generative AI is all about knowing how to give the right prompt and work with APIs. In other words, it is about using existing AI tools rather than building them from scratch. And here is something a lot of people don't know. If you have some basic programming skills like Python, you are already ahead. Combine that with full stack development, learning how to build the back end and front end of applications, and you will be in a great spot to land a job in generative AI. Backend frameworks like Django or Fast API and front-end skills like HTML, CSS, and React will make you super valuable. Now, if you are thinking, but I really wanted to be a machine learning engineer, don't worry, there are still ways to stay in the AI field without going down the full stack route. Careers like data engineering, MLOps, or AI product management are still open to you. These roles are less about knowing deep machine learning and more about understanding how AI systems work and how to manage them effectively. But let me be real. If you are just out of college, trying to break into machine learning or data science without experience is going to be a little tough. The market has evolved and companies want people who can jump in and contribute right away. That is why I recommend focusing on generative AI. It is where the future is headed. We are seeing AI transform every industry. Look around and you will see chatbots integrated into websites, AI-driven automation in companies, and much more. Generative AI is going to be a core part of how businesses operate moving forward. And if you get in now, you will be ahead of the curve. If you are still passionate about machine learning and want to dive deeper, research might be the way to go. Pursuing a master's or PhD will give you the time to explore complex topics and open doors to research positions. But if you are looking to jump into the job market right now, generative AI is where the opportunities are. So, if you are serious about building a career in AI, start exploring generative AI today. And that's it for the video. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.